going to call the docket. Case number 1 has been reset, Patricia? 498.
No, Your Honor, I believe Ms. Gay is on and she's gonna let the court know what's going on.
All right, case number 498-202, State of Texas versus Mike Cardenas, Arlene Gay.
Good morning, Your Honor. We had entered a plea bargain agreement on the case, the state and I, late yesterday afternoon, and the paperwork should be available to the court this morning signed. We signed it yesterday late.
All right, then we'll be calling you up shortly to take care of that. Thank you.
Thank you.
537-214, State versus Eulalio Solano, and that is Marisa Morales. Attorney Marisa Morales, no response. Eulalio Solano, marked absent. 599-862, State versus Mariona Barnes, and that is Tanisha Taylor.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present on that.
Good morning, Ms. Taylor.
Good morning.
Where's your client?
She should be here.
I know she should be. I love it when people tell me should be here. Yeah, it should.
Back to Judge Chapa, so he's learning.
Your Honor, I'm going to try to give her a call. I spoke to her last night and she assured me she would be on this morning.
For right now, she's absent. Make sure you let us know when you get her on. Folks, please mute your microphones.
MSRJ.
Hello. Please mute your microphones until I call your name. Case 609904, State versus Bernardo Ortiz, set for jury trial. John Winter.
No.
John Winter,
What do we do with the jurors?
no response.
Judge, Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
the deputy's asking what you want, where do you want her to place the jurors? We have 30 of them, right? 30 of them.
All
And
right.
the third case on page 5, Monica Guerrero is the attorney. I believe Joseph Stateson is on.
Yes,
And
I am.
Patty, if you could put me into a breakout room with Mr. Stateson right now, I think that we might have, we just need to confer on that case.
All right, yes, ma'am.
Meantime, the jury panel, bring them into the courtroom, but spread them out.
Who was
And
the deputy?
hopefully they are all masked.
Did you hear him? No. Deputy Avila? Ayala?
I'm sorry.
Deputy
have-
Ayala?
Well, that's
Suzanne,
Yes,
is there a deputy there?
she's on the phone. Yeah, she's got off the phone.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll bring them in.
okay, thank you.
Make sure they're spread out and hopefully they're all masked. All right, back to the docket, 609904, that's John Winter. What's the story with that one, Patty?
Catherine, did you confer with him?
That is actually a case that Caitlin was working on. She is in jail court this morning. Give me 1 second to double check her announcement on that one.
You mean 1 moment, because the second's been up 10 minutes ago, 10 seconds ago. All right, 610020, State versus Misty Bernard, Jessica Gonzalez. Jessica Gonzalez, no response. Misty Menard is marked absent. 620483, State versus Roberto Becerra. That's Nicholas LaHood. Nicholas LaHood, no response. Roberto Becerra, marked absent. 620935, State versus Efren Serrano, and that is Romualdo Horta. Yeah, we got the right docket. No response from the attorney. Mr. Serrano is marked absent. 621-546, State versus Michael Scarnato. That is Laura Zachariah.
Good morning, Judge. Both me and my client are present in the virtual courtroom. We are requesting a jury trial on this case, Judge. And I moved my practice up to Fort Worth, Judge. So we are requesting a special setting on this case so that me and my law partner can go ahead and travel down from Fort Worth for the trial.
All right, Patricia, can
Hello?
we give them?
August 31st, Judge.
That'll be a special setting, Patty?
That's our next jury. Yes, sir.
All right,
Judge, we just need to make sure we're going to go since we do have to travel 4 hours and this is a
I
court.
understand. That's why I'm insisting this is a special setting
Thank you,
as
Judge.
you requested.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you are excused. We'll make sure that you get a special setting on this.
Thank you.
Patricia, make a note on that and we'll
Yes,
see. what we
yes,
do.
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
625-361, that is on the move. I'm not wishing luck on the crowd. That's up to you. 625-361, State versus Susan Hansford. And that's
Good morning,
Neil
Your Honor.
Kalfas.
Yes, sir. Good morning. I'm present on that one, Mr. Ibarra.
Ibarra.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Is
If I
your
could confer,
client
Your
here?
Honor, with the state on this one, I'd appreciate that.
Is your client here?
She is, Your Honor.
Ms. Hansford?
Good morning. This is Susan Hansford.
Good morning, ma'am. All right. You are conferring, sir. You're number one.
Judge, she's
State-
conferring. She's conferring with Mr. Stateson.
Okay. And the other one is in did I hear that?
Correct.
Caitlin's
She's at
the
jail.
jail court?
Yes, sir.
They've done that to me too much. 625-953, State versus Philip Griggs, and that is Alan Messenger.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm a little worried about this one. I've called both him and his mom, and they're going straight to voicemail. So I'm not sure what's going on with him right now.
As of right now, Mr. Messenger, he is absent and will have a failure to appear. A warrant will issue in 1 week.
Okay, I will see what I can do about getting a hold of him. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. Take care. Be safe.
Hi, Judge. This is Cassandra Morales speaking. My phone wasn't loading. I got it to work. I was just trying to check in.
All right. When I call your name, you can answer. Okay.
I'm sorry. Okay.
626-989, State versus Jeremiah Johnson. Jesse Sepulveda, June. Where's June? Jesse? No response from Jesse Sepulveda. Jeremiah Johnson, I enjoyed a movie by that name. Robert Redford. Johnson is marked absent. 627-004, State versus Manuel Escobedo. Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present. Not sure if my client is.
I'm present.
Manuel Escobedo.
Yes, sir.
I see you. Yes, sir. Good morning to you.
Morning.
What are you doing?
Judge, I'd like to confer, Judge.
All right, you'll be number two to confer.
Where's that 90 at, Vato? Bring it.
Six.
Does the court reporter need to be in the?
Did you mute that person, Patty?
On Zoom for the
Yes,
trial?
yes, Judge.
629-172, State versus Jesus Lopez. Pardon me. State versus Cesar Martinez, Jesus Lopez is attorney.
Present on his behalf. I don't know if he's present, but I'm expecting him to be here.
All right, sir. I like that. You didn't say he should be here. Yes, he is expected. I've marked him absent at this time. As soon as he comes in, let us know, Mr. Lopez. Meantime, what are your intentions?
My intentions are to confer with the state and see if we can reach a resolution to the case.
All right, then you're number three to confer. 630-410. By the way, for the attorneys, We only have one attorney, one prosecutor again this morning. 630410, State versus Kayla Sulak, and that is Tim
Judge.
Roundtree.
Judge, I got reset September 10th.
Okay.
Oh, fuck, I didn't bring mine. Do you have your calendar?
I hear you whispering. 630876, State versus Nathan Teo, Brenda Levenstein. Brenda Levenstein, no response. Nathan Teo, marked absent. Page 3, 632386, State versus Malik Alston, and that is Valerie Headland, his attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here present with my client Malik is on as well. So we need to confer. I need to confer with the prosecution.
Thank you. You're
Thank
on
you.
number 4 to confer. You have to have a little patience. We're down to one prosecutor today.
No worries.
632689, State versus Jesse Chapa, and that is Jesus Lopez. Mr. Lopez.
I'm present. I don't see my client. I don't know if he's on under a different name. I am expecting him to be here this morning.
Jesse Victor Chapa. All right, sir, for right now, marked absent. When he shows up, let us know.
Sure.
And do you wish to confer on this one?
He's in the courtroom, Your Honor.
All right, so he is present, Mr. Lopez.
Great, I will confer.
All right, and did I mark you for conferring on the previous one?
Yes, I think you marked me as number 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna let you confer on both these cases, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 633784, State versus Jose Guerrero, and that is Laura Zachariah.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Ms. Zachariah. We need to file a motion to sub. That'll be a case that my firm will be taking over. May we have a reset to confer and review the discovery and get substituted in and take Laura Zachariah off?
The answer is yes. I'm making notes. Reset to substitute. 60-day reset, Mr. Gebbia. Is
Thank you,
Jose
Your Honor.
Guerrero here, though?
Yes, he is on, Your Honor.
Jose Guerrero,
Yes, I'm here.
good morning to you.
Good
You're
morning,
both, unless you got something else, Mr. Gebbia, you're excused.
No, thank you, Your Honor. You have a wonderful weekend.
Mr. Guerrero, you're excused. You too, guys. Stay safe.
Thank you.
635559, State versus Anthony Cruz. And that is Randall Reiner.
Morning, Judge. I'm present. We need a reset. I believe my client's trying to join your jury panel. I think he's in the courtroom.
All right.
He's coming up, Judge.
What are your intentions, Mr. Greiner?
I need a 30-day reset, Judge.
Well, are we doing 30, Patty? We're going to give him 60.
60, Judge. 60, Judge.
You're going to have 60 and like it.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
May we both be excused.
You are. 636161, State versus Kiara Hernandez, and that is Matthew Finch. Matthew
Good morning,
Finch,
Judge.
attorney. Good morning,
Present.
Ms. Hernandez.
This is Kiara Hernandez. My case manager should be coming any minute.
For right now, I'm marking him no response. You stick around, Ms. Hernandez.
Yes, sir.
636652, State versus Jasnick Laney, and that is Marshall White.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Marshall.
Miss Laney's on the call. Miss Laney, answer.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Laney.
Judge,
Mr. White, what do you choose today?
Yes, Judge. Ms. Laney has completed and turned in the PTD agreement, and I think she's made contact with her officer on that. So I'm not too sure if she's ready to be taken off the docket or how that works at this point.
Patricia, what do we do?
I'm not sure if Ms. Pollard has access to looking into
Patty,
that.
I don't on that one. If you could just give him a reset, the
Okay.
PTE division will bring me a dismissal once
Okay.
everything's lined up and good to go.
All right, so we can reset it 60 days, Your Honor.
60-day Marshall White and Ms. Laney. Keep up the good work and finish that pretrial diversion, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Mr. White, you're excused unless you have any other cases.
I don't, Judge. You have a good weekend.
You too, stay safe.
Thank you. Ms. Laney, I'll be in touch.
639-747, State versus Victor Dominguez, and that is Suzanne Kramer.
Your Honor, she's running late from another court.
No, I'm
from
here.
Oh, okay.
I'm here. Mr. Dominguez should be in the Zoom. This is a PTD where the DA's office has the contract, but Mr. Dominguez has not gone down to start it yet. So I gave him instructions the other day that he needs to get down there and get this started. So I guess we just need a reset so he can make sure he takes care of that.
All right, so we'll reset it 60.
Yeah, this is
Yes, sir.
Victor Dominguez. I'm present.
Yes,
Yes,
he
sir.
knows, Victor. He knows you're there.
Oh, okay.
We got you. And you are now both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
And
welcome.
then Judge and Patty, I just heard back from Caitlin and it doesn't look like, it looks like her and Mr. Winter on the other.
Kate, wait. Judge, did you want me to remove the jury room, the courtroom for right now?
Yes,
Okay. Deputy Ayala?
Deputy,
I'm gonna remove you and then log in. I will call you when you can log back on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, Judge.
all right, now back to.
Judge, I did just want to let you guys know, I don't think that we're going to end up needing the panel this morning. Caitlin said that her and Mr. John Winter spoke this morning and they have agreed to a reset on that case. I think there's, I don't know why.
What about Ms. Guerrero's, Judge Guerrero's?
Mario Ramirez, Judge, I've sent you a dismissal on that case.
So there is no jury.
No, Mike Cardenas, the other one, is taking a plea.
You mean Mike Cardenas?
Yes, Judge.
All right. All right. Now, thank you, ma'am. We'll proceed with 640.
May I go ahead and call the bailiff to have her log back on?
Yes.
And that way, maybe you can excuse the jurors, or you're gonna wait till after you call the docket?
I'm gonna go after the docket and thank them for appearing.
Okay,
and then
Judge.
send them back to
Central jury room. Yes, sir. Let me
Your Honor,
call deputy.
may Mario Ramirez be excused? The state will tender a dismissal.
Yes, sir. You are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
640-940. State versus Rebecca Dillon. That is Jeffrey Martinez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ms. Dillon is present. We have received an offer through email from Ms. Reed Pollard asking for a reset.
You do what?
I've received an offer. I need to go over that with Ms. Dillon. I see her present in the Zoom.
Mr. Martinez, what stops you from conferring right now on the offer?
Ms. Dillon is not very good with the Zoom, Your Honor. She's a bit of a difficult client. I can confer with her today, but I don't know if we're going to get a resolution.
All right, we'll reset you for 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor. Maybe excuse.
You are excused.
Your Honor, can Ms. Dillon be excused?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're both excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 642-431, State versus Nathaniel Jensen. That's Robert Behrens. I see Robert. In fact, how does this happen, Patty? I've got 80% of the screen is the judge.
So I just want to thank each and everyone.
I'm not sure. Judge, I can go over there and
Never mind. As
remove it.
well know, our
Judge, what you got?
have very,
Mr.
very
Jensen's not had a setting in quite a while, so I guess I'll need to confer.
this really
All right. What are you going to do?
for us. So
I want to confer with the state judge.
Alrighty. You're on the list.
this month
All right,
has
thank you.
been incredible.
Ms. Pollard,
Yes, Judge.
can you start conferring with Neil Kalpas with Mr. Ibarra?
Yes, Judge, I can.
Go ahead and start. So 'cause you're gonna be by yourself. It seems like we've got a bunch of people who want to confer. 642-473, State versus Scott Ivan, and that is David Volk.
Your Honor, I'd like to confer with the state as well. This is a case where I don't believe they can wheel the defendant, so I need to speak to them.
And your client, Mr. Scott.
He's present, Judge. He's in the blue shirt.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Okay, hang tight. Your attorney's gonna do some work for you.
Thank you, Judge.
647-068, State versus Christian Ortega Gonzalez, and that is Raymond J. Vale Jr. Raymond Vale.
Judge, Present Judge.
Good morning.
I am in the process of, I just got a point on that case and we're working on discovery, but I'll be happy to visit with the state.
All right. I'm listing you for conferring. Your client is here?
I was checking, Judge. I gave him the Zoom instructions yesterday and I didn't get a chance to look in the entire gallery, but he should be here.
I hear you. I know he should be. 647-519, State versus Mark Crandall. No attorney.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Blake Etheridge. I will be representing Mr. Crandall. He is present. He's listed under Eddie Crandall right now, as you can see. I've filed a appearance of counsel, but e-file is having some issues with me right now, so I will address that. And I would like to confer with the state at their convenience.
We'll put you down for conferring. Thank you. Have you have filed your appearance?
Yes, I did, but I'm having issues with e-file for some reason.
Okay. You mean you have a problem with a computer? How unusual.
Thank you, Judge.
652-999, State versus Cassandra Morales, and that's Mike Bellavo.
I am present, Your Honor.
Good morning.
My client.
Good morning to you both. Good morning to you both. What are you gonna do, Mike?
We were waiting for the lab results on the drug test, which as of last night had not been loaded into the system. And also she has a felony pending. So I was just looking for a reset on this one.
Well, you certainly will get it. 60-day reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your
You're
Honor.
welcome. You're welcome. Both excused.
And Ms. Morales, be excused.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
657, you're welcome. 657-045, State versus Juan Ramos, and that's Ray Castro.
I'm present, Judge, with my client is also present, Mr. Ramos.
All right, sir.
This particular case, I've conferred with the ADA, Catherine Pollard, about it. And regarding it to the ID, incorrect ID of my client. So she's going to look into it.
So we'll reset you for 60 days. ID issue.
Yes, sir.
All right, you and Mr. Ramos are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Stay safe.
Thank you.
And 657-432, we have heard the announcement of a dismissal. 658895, State versus Rodney Ellison. Edward Piker.
I'm here, Judge. He has the Zoom info. Last time I spoke was with Caitlin Morgan. She was going to try to contact the complaining witness with an eye toward dismissal if she couldn't find her.
So we'll reset you another 60.
I'd like to know if she found her. If we're done, we could get the dismissal today and wrap this up.
I hear you, then we'll let you wait.
Okay.
She's at jail court, so she'll show up sooner or later.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning. 661375, State versus Victoria Musa, and that is Larry Meadows, his attorney.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Larry. How are you doing?
Good. We're both present.
All righty.
Judge, I need to confer with the state.
All right. You're on the list.
All right, thank you.
Gonna have a little patience because you're about number 9.5. 661880, State versus Francisco Lu, and that is Ivan Barrera.
I'm still here, Judge. I believe I saw my client on Zoom.
I'm here,
Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, Ivan Lu, Francisco Lu, pardon me. And Mr. Barrera, are you going to confer on this?
Judge, on this one, it's a fairly new case. I just got the blood discovery yesterday, so I'd like a normal reset to be able to review all the evidence in this case.
A normal reset. I'll have to make a note of that one. You'll be reset 60 days. You, Mr. Liu, both are excused on this case.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Then we have 662308, State versus Sarah Diaz, and that is Linda Corley.
Good morning, Judge. Last but not least, right?
Yes, ma'am. Certainly not least.
So my client and I are present, and we had been talking with Caitlin, I believe. And she was considering this case for dismissal, but I have not heard back from her yet. I understand she's not there. If we can go ahead and get a reset, I will correspond with her in email to see what she decided to do on the case.
I will make that note. And you and your client then, you're reset for 60 days, and you're excused.
Thank you, Judge, and we'll receive that date in the email. Is that correct?
Patty can do it even now, but either with Patty.
No, no, sir. I'll send you the email this afternoon.
Okay, thank you very much. Judge, may my client and I be excused? She is present.
You're both excused. You both be safe.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Now, that concludes the call of the docket. I'm going to run through here again and see if I can find attorneys that should have answered at 9 that did not. Marisa Morales. Marisa Morales. John Winter. Now, what happened with him, Patty? Let's see. It's
They
an
have an
agreed reset, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Jessica Gonzalez, Nicholas LaHood.
Jessica Gonzalez is there.
Jessica Gonzalez, you have responded.
Yes, sir. I apologize. I was on the phone with the clerk's office this morning. I didn't realize Marta kept talking. She said I can blame her.
Okay.
So I'm here for Misty.
That'll do you a lot of good, Ms. Gonzalez, if I lock you up, right?
Yeah, exactly. She's my get out of jail free card.
All right. No, Misty Menard did not answer. What's the story there?
So, Your Honor, I don't know. I don't know if Patty could check where the clerks are actually on the Zoom, but the bondsman was supposed to file a affidavit of surety to be able to get off the bond, which would be able to trigger the warrant from the court. I just don't know if that's been done. I can also call the clerk's office if they're not on, and then you can go through the rest of the docket.
Well, bottom line is I'm going to issue a FTA, and if she doesn't appear in 1 week, there will be a warrant for failure to appear.
Well, the problem is, Your Honor, nobody's been able to reach her, so she doesn't have a notification of the setting. This was actually set back last fall, and so and that's when she was in contact with me.
Okay,
but she never received any notification. So we were hoping if the bondsman was just getting off, that would trigger something for the court to be able to do.
There is no affidavit of surety filed by the bondsman.
Well, somebody's a little bit slow and a little bit lazy. That's all right. That might cost them. All right. Well, at this point, you're excused, Ms. Gonzalez. Obviously, your client didn't show up.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Nicholas LaHood. No response. Romualdo Horta. No response. Jesse Sepulveda Jun.
Okay, all right, you got me totally twisted up. Okay, I'm thinking this guy's a hired lawyer.
Hello. Brenda Levenstein.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brenda.
Good morning.
All right, your client has not answered. That is
He
Nathan.
tells me he's on. Is he the iPhone?
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Is that you, Nathan?
Yes.
Okay. He's
All
here.
right. Very good. What are your intentions for this morning?
Could I confer with the state?
Certainly can. We have only one prosecutor this morning.
I volunteer to be deputized for just this morning.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure there'd be some deals, wheeling and dealing.
That's right. I'll get through that docket.
All right. Matthew Finch. Matthew Finch, no answer. All right, now, defendants that did not previously answer, I'm going to call your names again for those who have a chance to appear and answer. Eulalio Solano. Failure to appear. Mariana Barnes. Ms. Taylor, you hear anything? Failure to appear. Roberto Becerra. Failure to appear. Efren Serrano. Failure to appear. Jeremiah Johnson. My favorite name for today. Failure to appear.
Okay.
Cesar Martinez. Failure to appear. Christian Ortega Gonzalez.
On that one, Judge, I have a little more information to give to you. On this case, Judge, we had been appointed on the felony, and then the misdemeanor was kind of brought on the coattails of that. The felony case got dismissed on March 21st. And so all we have is this misdemeanor case pending. So I was trying to figure out if this had been taken into consideration or not, but the felony was just flat out rejected. So I talked to my client literally a day or two ago. I'm not sure why he's not present today. He is on bond. And so we
Ray, just have him report within 7 days. There will be no warrant, but if he doesn't, there will be.
Okay, Judge. And
Already?
I had one other case that wasn't called that I believe was on your docket for Juan Benavides, and he's tried to zoom in, but he's saying his notice says 10 o'clock. And I'm not sure if he's on a 10 o'clock docket or if this is the only docket you've got for today.
It's the only docket for today. Give me his name.
Is
Case
Juan
number.
is the third, case number 627431. We were showing it as a setting for today.
Ray, it's one who?
Juan Benavides, Judge.
Benavides.
So DWI first. I've been talking to Kathleen on it, or Kathleen, I apologize. And we thought it was set for today.
Judge,
ma'am.
If it's case number 627431, Juan Jesus Sanchez Benavides III, it doesn't show on the system that it's set for. Oh yeah, it does. July 30th. It's out of county court, law number 4.
Oh, they moved it. Okay. All right, Judge. Well, then I guess
you were close, but not quite.
I understand, Judge. Well, I'll try to get a hold of Mr. Gonzalez, and I guess if I may be excused, Judge, to answer to County Court 4, I'll go do that.
Are you sure you're gonna go with number 4 now?
Well, no, Judge, I would prefer to be here, but that's okay. I have to go where they tell me.
All righty. Take care, Ray. Stay safe.
Take care.
All right, we call the docket. We'll be in recess.
Judge,
Your Honor, I have a quick update.
On who's calling?
That's me, Mr. Ivada, sir.
Okay,
Case number 625361,
hold on.
Ms. Hansford.
625361. Okay.
Yes, sir. Ms. Hansford, I've conferred with the state on that one. There is some outstanding discovery, we believe, that Ms. Pollard's requesting today. And so we're asking for a pretrial setting on that one so that we can procure the videos.
Reset pre-trial 60 days.
Yes, sir. Thank you. May we both be excused, Your Honor?
You are excused, sir.
Thank you, sir. You have a good weekend.
You too. Stay safe.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Judge. Ivan Barrera here. I also have an announcement.
Yes, sir.
This is on 627004.
Yes, sir.
On this one, Judge, confirm with the state, we're still missing the blood results and some of the video, one video, the dash cam. So at this point, Judge, since it's been pending for some time, I'd like to set this for a final pretrial conference.
Reset 60 days.
Thank you, Judge. May me and my client be excused?
You are excused, both of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Judge, I had one last thing. I know August 1st, we were starting in person. At least that's what the settings were saying. Is that still the how it's going to occur?
As of right now, it is.
In person?
No.
Okay.
no, Judge.
Okay, hold on.
Zoom. We're continuing on Zoom until October 1st for further notice.
All right.
Okay. Understood. Thank you, Patty. Thank you.
The boss has spoken. Thank you,
Judge.
Patty. Thank you, sir.
Y'all have a
All
nice
right.
weekend.
You too. Stay safe. Jesus Lopez should be conferring at this time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. All right. Anybody else have announcements? Patty,
Yeah.
can you step in? I'm still stuck with Bob
Yeah.
Barron's on 80%,
Yes.
90% of my
Yes,
screen.
sir. I'm on my way.
I'm here, Judge.
Thank you, sir. I'm just remark. 80% of my screen just says Bob Barron's. No, no kidding.
It's better than when it was Anton Hayek.
View gallery.
Actually, 3 to 4 hours.
How did you get cleaned up?
Because you go to view right here,
Uh-huh.
and then it's you had it on speaker view. That's where it was last speaking.
Uh-huh.
But you go here and you put gallery view. That's
Okay.
a gallery.
Gotcha.
You're
Thank
gonna
you,
talk to
dear.
the jurors now?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to be in a short recess. Be right back. All right, folks, I'm back. Who's got announcements?
Judge, I just got done conferring with Miss Pollard. This is Valerie Headland. Could
Okay,
I be put in a breakout room with Malik Alston, my client?
Hold on just a second. Ms. Headland, what was your case number?
It is
I got it, never
632.
mind.
Okay.
Yes. All right, what is the announcement?
She's gonna offer or recommend pretrial diversion, and so I just need to speak to my client in a breakout room.
All right, Patricia, would you place Ms. Headland and Ms. Alston in breakout?
Yes, Your Honor.
What about Mr. Lopez, Jesus Lopez?
Yes, Judge, I've conferred on Jesse Chapa, 63289. I've gotten an offer. I need to request a reset so I can confer with my client over that offer. I also need to try to get a phone number from him. I think he's in the courtroom.
Okay. If you'll stick around, let me see if we can get the deputy. Right now, she's releasing a jury. It's gonna be a little bit of time. What about, okay, Martinez is a failure to appear, hasn't appeared.
As far as I know, he has not been present. I don't know if he's made it to the courtroom since what's happened.
Mr. Lopez, you have 1 week to produce him or he'll have a warrant for him.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Headland answered. Patricia, is Judge Barron's in breakout?
Not yet, Judge. He was next.
Okay, let's just have him.
I'm here.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, yeah, Ms. Headland has conferred. And
Yes, sir.
you're up, Judge.
You're conferring now, Judge.
Very good.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes, you may.
So I have another setting in County Code 4 at 10. I have my client, her phone is cut off. I did speak to her yesterday and sent her the Zoom information, and she said she was going to be here, but now I'm trying to call her phone. It looks like it's been disconnected.
Well, it's Tanya, right? You're
Tanisha.
Tanisha, I'm sorry. I was close. Tanisha, you are excused to attend to County Court 4, you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
And if you would be kind enough to return, just to see if perhaps the lady, Ms. Barnes, does show up. I have my doubts, but check with us, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. I will return after this.
And you are excused. Thank you for being here on time this morning.
Of course.
Your Honor, may I approach?
That all depends.
Jesse Sepulveda, I'm here with Jeremiah Johnson. I'd like to confer with the prosecutor if I may.
Did Mr. Johnson show up? Because you hadn't appeared before.
Yes, I had failed to forward the invite to him, so it was my fault.
Okay, so now this says Jesse A. Sepulveda Jun. Is that an Asian name or what kind of name is that?
I'm not sure why that comes up on there, but I've got to correct that. No, it's not Asian. I'm sorry.
You wanted to confer?
Yes, please.
You're on the list to confer. It'll be a while because we only have 188 this morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's good to see you, Jess. Stay safe.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Matthew Finch, if I may.
Mr. Finch.
Your Honor, I apologize for being late. I'm here on behalf of Kiara Hernandez. I would need to confer with the prosecutor this morning, but she's been patiently waiting for me.
Where's your case number with what?
Your Honor, it's 636-161.
636. 636. 1. There it is. All right. Mr. Finch, you doing okay?
Just finished an ugly CPS trial, Judge, but other than that, I'm doing great now that I'm here.
All right. Most of those CPS trials tend to be a little bit ugly. Let's see, Ms. Hernandez has been waiting patiently. You're on the list to confer, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge,
Ma'am,
Gary Hillier is present.
did you have a case this morning?
I'm not sure if he's here for Nicola Hood.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gary Hillier. I think I'm here for either Mr. Norton or Mr. LaHood.
Page 1.
Yeah, I know. They had Nicholas Nico was on the docket. Is that who you're here for, Gary?
Yes, Judge. Obviously, the notice has various names on it, and that one's been tagged, Judge. I apologise. I've been in the 175th, so I got her as soon as I could.
That's not a problem. I would appreciate the courtesy if you're going to be in another court, let us know so we can at least deal with that.
Sorry,
So
Judge.
what are you going to do, sir?
Well, Your Honor, it's the first time we've actually appeared on this case because Mr. Becerra had a felony pending, and we have not had any contact with him, Your Honor.
So what is that? What are you going to interpret that into?
Well, we sent the notice out for today, Judge. I'm not going to misrepresent anything to the court. We sent a notice out to him. We haven't heard from him. I don't believe he's on here. We will keep trying to reach him.
Okay, I'm going to reset you for 60 days. However, if you don't produce Mr. Becerra within 1 week, there will be a warrant issued for him on a failure to appear. Ready?
Thank you, Judge. I will. We'll get on that straight away. May I be excused?
You are excused, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good weekend.
You too. Stay safe. Anybody else want to make an announcement? All
Your
right.
Honor, on Scott Ivan, I had asked to be in the line to confer. I don't think they've reviewed my case yet. It would involve me telling them they need to review the videos and find out if they can wheel him. I can just as easily do that by email. And so I wanted to release us.
Okay, this is Arlene Gay. I'm actually trying to do a plea in.
Sorry. I could just as easily get that done by email. They're going to need time to look into it anyways.
What's your case?
It's Scott Ivan, Judge. It is, let's see. 642-473. And I can send the information to Ms. Pollard and Ms. Morgan. It involves a dispute about whether or not they can prove he was driving. He was outside of the vehicle inside a restaurant at the time that police made contact with him. And it's something that the ADA would have to kind of look into and look at the case law.
Okay, David.
Does that sound good enough?
That sounds logical to me.
Okay.
So,
May me and Mr. Ivan be excused.
Mr. Ivan can be excused now. How much time we're going to give him, Patty?
I think 30 days would be sufficient, Judge. I've got my notes ready to deliver to them. And so I think.
Patricia, can we do 30 days reset?
Yes, sir. It'll be August 30th.
Okay. We will see you on that day. May I be excused now?
Yes, sir. You can. Thank you.
Have a good one, Judge. Have a good one.
You too. Stay safe.
Judge Longoria, this is Attorney Arlene Gay, and we were ready for our plea. I know you had to run through the docket, so we're number one, Mike Cardenas.
Yes, ma'am.
So I just wanted to let the court be aware that I am still here, and I'm waiting to go to the 144th.
Go ahead and go to the 144th right now because we've got all these. As long as someone is in breakout, I can't do the pleas.
Okay.
What we can do is once you've gotten your work done in the 144th, come back at your convenience and I'll break it up somehow and bring you in.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All righty.
Your Honor, I know my client is at work. If it's okay with you, if it's okay with you, that he can get off and then get back on?
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay.
No problem.
Mr. Cardenas, did you hear that? You can get off and then I will call you to get back on, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Judge Longoria, this is Valerie. May I approach?
I don't know.
May I
you
approach in Zoom virtual world, please?
Yes, ma'am. Of course you can. Good to see
Could
you.
we get a reset for 60 or 90 days so that we can do the pretrial application, pretrial diversion?
Okay, give me your case number. I found it.
Okay.
632-386.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, this is for pretrial diversion, reset 60 days.
Okay.
And you are excused, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too. Stay safe, you and your loved
Thank
ones.
you.
Is Judge Barron's conferring, Patty?
Judge. Blake Etheridge is conferring right now with Miss Pollard. Page 4. And I believe Judge Barron's might be on another Zoom. But he has conferred with Miss Pollard.
He's all ready. Okay, now Ray Vale, what do we do with him, please?
Well, his client was a no-show, Your Honor, so you declared an FTA.
And we have Etheridge. All right. We've not heard the report on Judge Barron's.
No, sir.
Then Larry Meadows, you're on next chapter. Blake Etheridge.
He went to the 144th, Your Honor.
Mr. Meadows did?
Yes, sir.
So then after that, Brenda will be next.
I had Ed Piker before Larry Meadows.
Yeah, I'm here, still waiting. Still present. Page 5.
Hey, Judge.
Yes.
Yes, sir. This is Attorney Blake Etheridge for Mr. Mark Crandall. I've spoken with the DA, and I'd like to get a standard 60-day reset, and I'll discuss what we're going to do for a plea bargain.
All right, sir. Reset you for 60 days.
Thank you, Judge. I really appreciate it.
Blake,
Yes,
don't forget to e-file your notice of appearance.
I will call. Do you know, who do I need to call for support on that? I'm like, do I call the state bar?
Right now, call the clerks, 210-335-2549. I'm not sure if they're having problems with e-filing right now.
I think it's
So-
the e-file system itself. So, but I'll give him a call in a little while. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
So my client can be dismissed?
I'm not sure, Judge. I guess so. If he gave you the 60-day reset. Yes, sir. I'll
Okay, thank you
email
all so very much. Y'all have a great
I'll e-
weekend.
You too.
Stay safe.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, who's next, Patty? Ed Piker?
Yes, sir. He's conferring with Ms. Pollard right now. Then it'll be
And-
Larry.
Larry Meadows.
Yes, sir, but he's not back from conferring yet.
Is it
I
the
mean, from
144th?
Yes, sir.
All right, then Brenda Levenstein will be after Mr. Piker unless Mr. Meadows returns, which doesn't seem likely.
Yes, sir. And then Jesse Sepulveda. And then Matthew Finch.
Brenda, how are you?
Well, I'm waiting. I'm doing a little laundry because I'm driving.
That's what happens from being a lawyer, a wife and a mother too, huh?
Oh yeah, just put different hats on all day long.
There you go. Everybody in your family safe, Brenda?
Yeah, everyone's good. Our daughter she applied to medical schools but didn't get into any, so she's contemplating her existence. And then she's 28, and our son is 24, and he is in Sedona, Arizona, with like 5 or 6 of his buddies. So
It's a beautiful area.
yes,
I'm
I've
sure.
never been there, but one of his friends from college parents has a house there or something. So
Oh, wow.
mhm.
It's almost like you would imagine in your mind you know how you do sand castles at the beach?
Yes.
The entire area is that sandy, brown sandy looking earth and I guess you'd call it mountainous
Yeah.
area. Very, very attractive, very pretty.
Yep. I wish he'd have taken me with him, but nobody wants their mom there when they're on a trip.
Especially at that age.
We only hear from him when he needs money. You know that.
I recall my wife and I have twins, and we sent them to Boston University in Massachusetts. And you remember those bumper stickers, my child is so-and-so, and my money went to so-and-so?
Right.
Man, that was very, very accurate in our case. And you can imagine the airplane tickets,
yeah.
we're paying $1,500 a month for rent for them.
I know.
So so your son, right now he's in Fat City. Everything is wonderful because mom and daddy
Right.
can
Well,
pay the
actually,
freight.
he has an undergraduate degree, and he's getting his master's right now. So he's got classes a few hours a day, even while he's out there with his friends. So
Brenda, you know that Incarnate Word here in San Antonio has opened up a medical school.
yes, there's a lot of places that I don't know exactly what she wants to do. And then there's PA, everybody's nowadays you see a physician's assistant so much more often than you see a doctor.
Oh, yeah.
We'll
Judge,
see.
may I
Go
go ahead and place Ms. Levenstein in conferring?
Yes, you may, of course.
Thank you.
What do we have? Mr. Piker?
Yeah, I conferred with Ms. Pollard, and she is going to try to contact the complainant one more time. If she does not make contact by 5 o'clock on Monday, she's going to dismiss the case on Tuesday.
And you,
Is it a 30-day or 2-week reset, Judge?
yeah, let's give them that, yes.
Just
Reset
any,
for,
go ahead.
August 13th?
I'm just in the middle of a vacation letter. Anytime after the 18th, 19th,
August 20th.
I'm in this all-day civil trial that day.
oh, you see how you are?
19th.
I'm
August
trying to get
19th.
rid of it by Monday, Judge. That's my goal.
19th, August.
Sure, got it. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ed. Take care of yourself.
All
Be
right,
safe.
have a good weekend, everyone.
You too. Stay safe.
Judge, may I approach?
Of course.
I'm back on Jesse Chapa. It's 632689. I've conferred with the state and conferred with him. I've gotten some contact information from him now. So I'd just like to request a reset. I anticipate being able to resolve this when we come back.
It's 632.
Page 3,
Yeah.
689.
There it is. Okay. And what are you doing? I'm sorry, Jesus, give me that again.
Sure. So I've gotten an offer from the state. I anticipate that we'll be able to resolve this when we come back.
All right. How much time do you need? Can you do it in 30 days or 60 days?
30 days should be fine.
Make it happen, Patricia.
August 30th.
You got it?
That should work.
Alrighty. You got it. You're excused. I think that's it for you, brother.
That's it for me. My other client was a failure to appear. Is Mr. Chapa excused as well? He's in the courtroom.
Yes, he is.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Sedona, Arizona. That's a nice place.
Judge Brenda's back.
Brenda.
Yes, okay, Your Honor, I got I conferred and I got an offer from the state and I need to convey it to the client. And I'm trying to get out of town around like noon today. So if he decides to accept it, could we reschedule a plea for maybe one day next week?
I'm sure Ms. Garcia would accommodate you.
August 6th.
6?
August.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if he decides to take it, I will get in touch with the state and the court before that so that we can begin the paperwork.
Very good. Thank you. You take care and be safe.
Okay, can we both be excused?
You are excused.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor,
Yes.
may Rodney Ellison be excused? That was
Choky.
that was Ed Piker's client,
Of course. He is
Rodney.
excused.
Rodney Ellison, you're excused, sir.
All right, I have to take a break.
Judge, is Chapa Jesse good to go?
Yes, he is. He's excused. He's through.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I'm still waiting. This is Matthew Finch. I'm still waiting to confer. I have an unexpected detention hearing at 10:30. Can I do that on a different device and stay muted here? I'm still waiting to confer.
That'll be fine.
Thank you, Judge.
Do what you got to do.
Judge, what did you say? You're gonna take a break?
Yes.
Okay. Deputy Ayala?
Yes.
There's no one else there, right? I mean, just
No.
you?
That's it.
Yay. Okay,
Yeah.
we're almost done. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jesse,
Yes.
Judge Longoria is took a break.
Okay.
So did
Can
you
I
want
get
to
a
confer with your client?
Well, I'd like to, yeah, I can confer with him now. I do want some time, I guess, so we can review discovery together now that I have an offer.
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout with your client and then hopefully the judge will be back by the time you get back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Catherine?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and place you to confer. I thought Mr. Finch was gone, but he's still there.
Okay.
And then you'll just need Larry Meadows and then you're done.
Okay, great. Sounds
So,
good.
Okay, I'm gonna put you on breakout room 3 with Mr. Finch. Nathaniel Jensen. Hmm. Matt,
Patty, I'm back. I conferred with Ms. Pollard. Could we get 60 days so I can provide the DA with some information and they can try to reach out to the complainant?
just give Judge Longoria a few minutes. He'll be
Okay.
He'll be logging on momentarily.
Okay, I'm still waiting to do that detention hearing, but I'll sit patiently.
What time are we gonna start? 10:30?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. All right.
But
So
if I'm just going to get a reset, I'll be patient and wait until it's my turn.
I guess I can go ahead and let him know that, because you did mention that to him.
Patty, I can wait and let the judge know what's going on.
All right.
I can be on Zoom. There's still a few other people left here.
Okay. Lupe Barba.
It's me, Horta.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Judge Barron's.
Hi, Patty.
Hi.
I think we have a deal. We just need to set up the, the paperwork and whatnot.
Okay, so are you gonna want to handle it today, or did you want to reset? Different day?
Well, we can try to do it today if you think it's doable.
Okay.
I do have presiding case going on. It might be better if we reset, but I can
Yes.
at least text you.
Did you want a week, 30 days, 60 days?
Probably. Let me ask him.
All right. Did you want me to put you in a breakout room with him?
I've been texting.
Oh, okay. All right.
I'm gonna chat you his email then.
All right, sir. Horta,
Yes.
didn't recognize you.
I guess losing 2 pounds makes a difference.
Where is it? Yeah. Oh, did you shave?
No.
Saw your client. Let's see. Okay. Are you in communication with Efren?
Yes, I just talked to
Serrano?
him earlier. There he is.
Hello. Is that iPhone?
Yes.
All right. Judge Longoria is gonna log on momentarily. Just hang tight. I'm gonna change your name on the screen.
No problem. Thanks.
Judge Barron's, that email address goes to Ms. Pollard.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I didn't see her as a choice.
Catherine, she's under Catherine Reed Pollard.
Yeah, Patty, for some reason, it looks like when you try to chat individuals, the only option we see are everyone or you.
No, you go to the square where the person is and pick out those 3 dots. You get the option from there. You see it?
At least for me, it's still not working. I do that and it pulls up my chat box, but it still says to everyone or to Patty.
Yep, me too.
Huh. Okay. All right. So I'll forward it to you.
Thank you, Patty.
Yes, ma'am. And so what did you decide, Judge Barron's? How long did you want that reset?
I'm waiting for him to respond.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He said 30 is fine.
30 days. Okay. August 30th. August.
I actually have a trial setting that day, so.
All right. So about September 7th.
Hopefully that'll be good. All right, I'll let him know. Is he excused for now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thanks. Okay.
Patty, does my client, Ms. Hernandez, need to stick around if I'm just going to ask the judge for a reset?
No, I believe she's excused.
Okay, Ms. Hernandez, go ahead and you can log off. I'll call you later on this morning and touch base.
Okay.
Tanisha,
Yes.
what's going on with your stuff?
I think she's here now. Her phone was off and it's on now, and I believe she just logged in.
Okay, I see her.
So
Miss Pollard, did you get that? Email?
Yes, I got that email. Thank you, Patty.
Okay, yes, you're welcome. Miss Barnes?
here she is. I don't know if her sound's connected.
I'm back.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
on page 1, Miss Tanisha Taylor was able to contact Mariana Barnes.
Great.
And she's logged on.
Good morning, Ms. Barnes.
She's muted.
I just messaged her. I'm not sure if her sound is connected.
Mariana Barnes,
Okay, I'm here. I'm sorry, Judge. I'm here.
how are you?
Bye.
I'm glad you showed up. I didn't want to issue a warrant for you and
I know my phone was off.
well, your attorney took care of you and protected you, so.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Taylor, what are you doing?
Yes, Your Honor. Is it possible? Is Catherine available if I can speak with her in the breakout room?
She's,
I think, well, she's conferring with others.
Judge, she's available.
Okay, now, while we're going to take a break. Let's get Ms. Gay, let's get her plea done and let her go. She's been here all morning also. Okay.
I don't see Miss Gay, Judge. Remember you told her it was okay for her to.
Very good. All right. So now we have Mr. Piker had conferred. Mr.
Yes.
Where are we at now, Patty? Or Brenda just conferred?
Your Honor, Jesse Sepulveda conferred on his client.
Johnson, Jeremiah Johnson. My favorite name of the day. But Mr. Sepulveda, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, I just got an offer by the state. I would like some time to review it with my client as well as reviewing the discovery. Now, Judge, I do have some questions. He's in the military. He's in the Marines, stationed in Yuma, Arizona. So some of the things, some of the classes that are required, like the DW education victim, I imagine some of them are online, but how would the rest of it work out? The ignition airlock, I imagine the 48 hours community service, would you allow him to buy those out, or would he do them over there?
Well, part of that is that I don't object to people buying out community service. No.
Okay.
That's not a problem. If he's in the military, we can work with him and with his command so we can make sure he doesn't get any more trouble.
Okay. All right. Yeah, if I can have 30 days, Judge, to kind of find out what we can do and what they're requiring of him, I would appreciate that.
Patricia, can we do 30 or do you want to do 60?
It's up to Your Honor.
Well, let's give him 30.
August 30th.
August 30th. Okay.
Okay, Jesse.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Take care. Stay safe.
Likewise.
Mr. Johnson, stay out of trouble.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now,
Judge Matthew Finch on page 3.
Good Good morning, Judge. I conferred with Ms. Pollard, Judge. They need to reach out to the complainant, and I need to provide her with a possible A and P. If we could get a reset to address those issues.
Okey dokey. How much time, Patty?
60.
60 is fine, Judge.
You sure you don't want to object to that?
We might be able to resolve this one amicably, Judge. I don't want to force the issue.
All right, reset 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused this morning?
You and Ms. Hernandez both are excused.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a good weekend.
You stay safe.
You do the same.
Your Honor, Romualdo Horta is present for the court now.
Romualdo, ¿dónde has andado, muchacho?
Page 1.
I know.
He and his client are both present.
Mr. Serrano.
I've been hiding from COVID, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, what are you doing, Mr. Horta?
Let me confer with the state if it's possible.
Everything's possible, Romualdo.
Thank you.
You're on the list.
That's an old case, yes.
You ever hear back from Judge Barron's, Patty?
Yes, Your Honor. He conferred with his client and I'm sorry, the DA, and they agreed to a plea September 7th.
Which one was, what was his
Page
case?
4, 642-431,
September what?
7th.
Very good. That
So-
clears out page 4, don't it?
Yes, sir. May I place Miss Tanisha Taylor to confer?
Absolutely. No word from Larry Meadows,
No, sir, he hasn't returned.
144th. Tanisha Taylor is in conferring.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
Read this. Easy.
And Your Honor, can Nathan Theo be excused? That was Brenda Levenstein's client.
Absolutely.
It got reset for August 6th.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. Nathan Tello, Mateo. Nathan? Nathan Tello, Nathan Teo. I guess his name is on, but he's not.
Yeah, I went ahead and removed him.
Okay. You ever warm up your coffee?
Yes, sir, I did. Horta,
Yes.
did your client log off?
He's on. He should be on. I'll call him again.
Okay, yeah, he logged out.
Okay.
Yeah, Romualdo.
See, and log in, Bye.
Romualdo.
Hey, yes.
Since when did you start wearing that fake white beard?
It cost me almost a year, Your Honor, to grow it.
I had not seen him with his beard.
May I place him and Ms. Pollard to confer?
Of course. What is a report from Ms. Taylor?
Yes, Your Honor. I received an offer. If I can get a 30-day reset to discuss it with my client.
Can we do the 30-day, Patty?
August 30th, yes, sir.
August 30th, my dear.
Okay. We will be there. Thank you. Are we both
You're quite
excused?
welcome.
Thank you.
You and Ms. Barnes are excused.
Okay.
Thank you for being here on time, Ms. Taylor.
Thank
Ms.
you.
Ms. Barnes, follow the example of your attorney.
Okay, thank you.
All righty. Oh, Eulalio Solano never showed up, right?
No, Efren Serrano.
No. Eulalio, second case, Eulalio Solano.
Oh, yes, sir. He did not. Can I check that? Because I'm thinking that I gave Marisa a reset.
Double check it because she didn't show up either. It may well be.
Yes, sir. Judge, I'm gonna call her office. It doesn't show, it shows that it's set for today. It doesn't show it was reset.
Please contact her.
Yes, sir. Your Honor,
Yes.
Mr. Horta has returned from conferring.
What you got, Waldo?
Judge, I confer with the state. There's two different reports on the incident. I just gotta revisit the video, what do you call it? The videos that they have, and then I'm gonna ask the court for a reset on it, and the prosecutor doesn't have an objection.
How much time you need?
Can we get the 60 days, or, because I know next month, Georgian, I think it's Georgian, or somebody has me for trial next month.
Okay, we'll give you a 60-day reset.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
You and Mr. Serrano are both excused.
Your Honor,
Ma'am.
Thank you.
I spoke to Attorney Marisa Morales. She apologized to the court. She does not have an associate to contact or appear for her. She has been at presiding with the Attorney General's, conferring with the Attorney General's since 8:30, and she's still there. And they said she has not had any contact with Eulalia Arnulfo Solano.
All righty, well, I'm sure you told her that she has a week to produce him.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, there'll be a warrant. Okie dokie.
So I'm gonna call Arlene to find out if she and her client can log back on. And then we'll be ready for the plea. Ms. Pollard?
Yes, Patty.
Do you see if the paperwork has been done?
Let me check.
Judge, did you want me to call Mr. Meadows to find out if he's can log back on with us? He's the last attorney that we had to confer.
I know.
He was gonna go to the 144.
Okay.
And Patty, the Cardenas paperwork is all completed.
The who paperwork?
Cardenas.
Cardenas. Sorry, Judge.
It's the second syllable is like hiding in a den. Cardenas.
Okay, gotcha. I'll
You know,
keep that
a
in
lot
mind.
of people, a lot of non-Latino folks make the mistake of pronouncing every letter E in Spanish as a, Cardenas, that kind of thing. And the E in Spanish is always a soft EH, okay?
Okay.
So it'd be like Catherine Re Pollard, not Reed in Spanish. Okie dokie.
Good to know. I'll try to keep that in mind.
Lesson number 1 in Spanish for you.